So let's take a look at where to get sound effects and, more importantly, a couple of tips on how to use them in your videos. Sound effects are typically used to create a theatrical effect for the viewer, often to make what is being seen on screen more realistic and believable. One of the best places I've found for sound effects is freesound.org. This site is a collaborative database of audio snippets submitted by people around the world. You can pretty much find any sound you like at no charge and in a decent audio resolution. If you're looking to save some time, one alternative is to gather sounds at the locations you shoot. I often hook up a Rode VideoMic Pro to my camera when I record a video. This way, I will always have a soundbite of the exact location where I was shooting. This overall helps reduce my editing time by not having to search for the sound effect online, but by simply having the sound paired with my video clip. If you're looking for higher end sound effects, a third option is to buy sound effect packages online, which will often provide sounds such as risers, atmospheric tones, hits, and others that can be blended together to create unique depth to your videos. A couple of recommendations here would be the Archetype sound effects pack from lensdistortions.com and the Designer sound effects pack from Video Copilot. Both of these packs provide more than enough sounds for my creative projects. The main idea here is to add these effects to help immerse your viewer into your videos. My 2 cents on sound effects is to make sure you have a reason to add the effects in the first place, as more often than not, placing the wrong sound or using it with no reason at all will hinder the viewing experience for your audience. A pro tip to mention is to often try to stay away from using the same sound effect over and over again. A good way to mitigate this is by changing the speed or EQ of your sound effect, as often more than not, the viewer will not notice it's the same effect. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button below and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks again for watching. My name's Trevor, and I'll see you in my next video.